Hello cloud experts. So machine learning is something which is getting very popular in the internet world, and AWS is no different. AWS has launched so many machine learning services, and in this section we are going to talk about some of the most popular machine learning services from AWS. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I'm a cloud trainer and consultant. So let's move forward. So in this section we are going to talk about Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Comprehend, Amazon Fraud Detector, Amazon Polly, Amazon Recognition, Amazon Textract, Amazon Transcribe, Amazon Translate, and few others. Now, Amazon SageMaker is typically helps developer to create, train, and deploy machine learning models in cloud. So typically, Amazon SageMaker helps developer to create, train, and deploy machine learning models in the cloud. Amazon Comprehend, it is an NLP service which is required to find relationship and insights in your unstructured data. Amazon Fraud Detector, it is used to create, train, and deploy mechanism for online fraud detection machine learning models in the cloud. So Fraud Detector, it is required to create, train, and deploy online fraud detection machine learning models. Amazon Polly is a service which is typically required for TTS, which is called as text-to-speech converter, which uses advanced deep learning technologies to synthesize natural sounding human speech, and it supports 60 plus voices in 30 plus languages. So text-to-speech is a advanced deep learning technology which converts our text into the speech, and the speech looks like a human speech, and it has 60 different voices in 30 plus languages. Moving on, Amazon Recognition is a machine learning service to identify objects, people, text, scenes, inappropriate content, and activities in the image and the videos. So it typically identifies various things like objects, people, text, scenes, inappropriate content, and activities in the given images and videos. Amazon Textract, it typically works like OCR, which is called as optical character reading, but it works better than OCR, and it is a machine learning service to automatically extract text and data from the scanned documents that works better than OCR. Amazon Transcribe, it typically does other way around than TTS. It converts your speech to the text. It does speech to text conversion, so it is a machine learning service which converts your speech to the text. Amazon Translate converts your text from one language to another. So these are the typical machine learning services what we have in AWS. That's all in this section. Look forward to see you in the next session. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For early notification, you can also press the bell icon. If you need any more information, please visit us as www.cloud-training.guru or email us at cloudtrainingguru101@gmail.com. Thank you very much.